Hi guys, so welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to do a mask. I suffered with acne and this mask really helped reduce the acne and especially clear the scars, the spots, the pigmentation. Since it is DIY and organic, obviously you can use this more than once a week. You can use it, I would use it maybe twice a week. The only thing that's a bit annoying is the staining of this mask. It stains your clothes, so maybe do it before you get in the shower anyways, or yeah. And then just mix it up. So now I've just steamed my face a bit to open my pores, and I will go in with a clean makeup brush. I will just sit like this. And usually I get in the shower to wash this off, so I do this before I shower. I just do my face. Now I finally showered, washed my hair, and you can still see a little bit of the yellow stain, but we can just remove that with some tonic water, face tonic, or even makeup wipes. See? Still quite yellow. Okay, so now all I've done is moisturize as I always do, and wiped my face with this tonic water just to remove the last little bit of stains. And I thought I'm just gonna mention some other benefits of this amazing turmeric root. You can find it in bottles as I've shown in the tutorial. You can find the powder version of it, but actually the plant grows like this. It's a hard root. So how I first found out about turmeric was that I watched this video of a YouTuber who basically said that this is an old Indian remedy, like in Indian culture this was done before weddings because it really speeds up the process of healing skin and glowing skin. And one would do this before weddings. So it actually has other benefits as well, like it's anti-inflammatory. It helps with slowing down the spread of tumor cells, and it also can even prevent diabetes and delay the process of Alzheimer's. So this was really amazing for me to read about this plant which can do all these amazing things. So I would say really try to incorporate it in your food. There are many videos of drinking turmeric milk and the benefits of using turmeric for your skin. It is definitely worth it, girl. To feel fabulous. Watch out for your clothes. You will probably stain them. Wear yellow, wear black. Do it in the shower. You'll be good. I will also link down below a recipe that I often do with turmeric. Thank you so much for watching. Honestly, like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.